What's up, team? Fullest, this again, Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to come and show you guys how I use my ginger juice as a leave-in conditioner for overnight. You can use this as an overnight hair growth treatment. I do use this overnight, and I also do use this during the daytime in the week if I'm just home. I feel like I can see something in my eyes, but yeah, during the week when I'm just home, I could spray this on my head, leave it, put a shower cap or put a plastic bag around my head, and then leave it. And then the next morning when I'm ready to leave the house, I just take a shower and wash it out. So I've been doing this now, and you guys can see my edges has been really growing compared to, of course, it's still a work in progress, but it has been really growing compared to my last video, or compared to my other video which I show you guys how my edges look. My edges were really bad, but like, yeah. So my hair is now officially 3 months natural. So today is actually the 27th of May. So my hair is actually today 3 months, but by the time this video is going to be up, it's going to be a couple of days later. But my hair is 3 months natural. Some of you guys who have seen my bald head when I chop it, you guys can see 3 months natural. Like you guys can see, I'm 3 months natural, and my hair has been growing really good, and I really like it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this overnight hair growth treatment with ginger juice. And this really leaves my hair very soft and very shiny, and also stop all the itchiness that I have in my hair, in my head. So I just take my ginger juice and just like shake, and I just spray, because my hair is very short, so I just spray this on my hair. I like to spray on my edges and massage. Oh, you're going to like taste, because when you spray it like this, you're going to taste that fresh ginger in your mouth, or you're going to inhale it. And you guys know how ginger smells, but I don't really mind. I love it. I'm just gonna spray this. If you have long hair, focus it more on your scalp, you know. I have very short hair, so for me, when I spray it like this, it's okay for me like this. If you have long hair, focus it more on your scalp, and don't forget to massage your head. I'm just gonna spray it first all over, especially on the edges, because that is where I want my hair to grow. Because in the middle, in the center, it's like it's really growing. The ginger smell is crazy. You know, ginger is spicy, so I'm just in the bathroom, everywhere is closed because I don't want the kids to make noise, so it's like all the spiciness of the ginger, I'm just inhaling everything. So that's why I'm coughing, because it's just so spicy. I'm just going to focus on the edges, on the side line, like here. I'm just inhaling the ginger. Oh. And now I'm just going to massage my head. Just massage. Make sure you massage your head very well when you have the spray on. I always focus on my edges, like on my the front side. I don't really have issue with the edges there. It's growing very good. It's more around this area, like this area more, like it's not like super full like the rest. I sprayed it in my eyes. I just spray like this. I just put psh. If you're doing this and you don't have kids around or your kids are sleeping, please open the windows or open the doors so that you wouldn't have to get that spiciness all into your body, because it's quite spicy. You know, ginger is spicy, so it's like all the doors are closed, the windows are closed. So I'm just inhaling everything. And a little bit go a long way. Why? As long as your whole head is soaked, it don't have to like all the way soaked that it's running down. No. As long as your head is soaked with it and it's good massage, then it's good to go. When you do this, you're going to feel like a tingling sensation. And that is what actually I'm going for. Yeah, so guys can see when I spray it on my edges, start running out. But it's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a plastic bag. The reason why you tie your hair, because it's the heat is going to really steam the hair and really helps with blood flow, blood circulation on your scalp. So that is going to be really good. I took out the wrong one. I need to go and get that one. Oh yeah. I took out the wrong one. So now I'm just going to put this on top. Yo, the ginger is really spicy, guys. And that's raw ginger. I didn't mix it with anything. It's the purest form that you can get. So this is how I do my head. So now I'm just going to leave it like this. Make sure you wash your hands. Do not touch your hand. Do not take your hand and touch your eyes if you haven't washed them. Like, I always make sure like I have a hand wash in my shower, just because, so that I don't forget. I don't forget like, oh, I'm going downstairs to wash my hands, and then I accidentally forget and I touch my eyes. So because of that, I always have something in the shower to wash my hands so that I don't forget to wash my hands later. So now I'm just going to leave this one. Oh, I can already start feeling like itchiness, the sensation, like the moving sensation on my head. But yeah, so I'm going to leave this to stay in the night. I'm going to bed with this one, and then wake up in the morning. I'm just going to rinse my hair with a conditioner. These days I don't really use a lot of shampoo on my head. I use mostly conditioner. I use this one, and I also use this conditioner that I bought, and this one is mixed with avocado. It's like cold pressed avocado, and I have been using these two a lot to kind of wash my head, because I don't really use a lot of product. The things I use, they're all natural, so I use that one to kind of wash my head. So now I'm going to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's time to wash my hair, and I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow in the morning, so stay tuned. It's the next day. I have washed my hair, As you guys can see, I just finished washing my hair, so it's a little bit wet. This is how you guys can see how shiny my hair is looking. I haven't put any product on my head. So yeah, this is it. This is my overnight hair growth treatment with the ginger. I do this every other night. Sometimes I even do it every day, but I try as much to do it every other night. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. So now I'm about to moisturize my hair and I'm about to head out the house. I'm going to do some quick shopping. I'm using my African Pride leave-in conditioner. So this is the only leave-in conditioner I'm using on my own hair at this moment. And I do also use shea butter. A little bit go a long way, just because my hair is not like that much, so just a little bit, it's enough. I'm gonna take my oil mixture. If you guys have followed me for a very long time, you guys have seen me mix this hair oil. So I'm gonna take that much, and I'm just gonna first take a little bit of the oil on my pan, focus on my edges, and just like that, you know. Yep, just leave that. I'm gonna take my comb is still wet, because you guys see, just comb the hair all back. My hair is growing, guys. I can't wait to start doing my sleek, can't use my gut to be sleek gel again. So I think in like few more months, 2 months or 3 months from now, when my hair is like 5 or 6 months, I think I will be able to do some sleek on TWA. But for now, I just comb it and leave it. I mean, wash my hair and get all that product off. So yeah, guys, this is how you use your ginger to grow your hair. I don't have any makeup on. Sometimes this is how I go. This is how I go outside most of the time. No makeup, no nothing. I'm just going out to do some few shopping, going to the African store to get some food stuff. So yeah, this is it. Let me turn around so you guys can see my hair. Hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Team Fullest. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.